Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy a vehicle in Instacar. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you're done with that and you're in the home page, you can just look in the bottom of your screen and press on sale there. And here you can just find a car that interests you. Now you might need to scroll down quite a lot until you find something that you want, but once you do, you can just simply press on it and you can just select either the instant purchase or the car finance, and after that you can just simply press on get an offer and you will be able to pay for it if it's an instant purchase. If it's a car finance, you will also be able to pay for it basically in steps. So basically until you will pay the, in this case 28,000 euro, you will pay it in smaller steps, so to say. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.